Welcome to our tutorial on nested dynamic routes in ExpressJS. We start by importing the Express module and creating an instance of it called app. Then, we add a middleware using AppUse that helps us parse JSON bodies from incoming requests, making it easier to handle JSON data. Now, we define our first GET route, which is the parent route. It listens to requests at parent ID. This parent ID is a dynamic route parameter that Express will extract from the URL. In the route handler, we access this parameter using rec_params parent ID and send it back in the response. Then, we call next to continue to any additional handlers that may apply to this route pattern. Next, we define a nested child route that also contains a dynamic parameter, child ID. This route looks for patterns matching parent ID, child ID. Notice how we can easily access both parent ID and child ID parameters from rec_params. We then send both IDs in the response to demonstrate how to retrieve and use these nested dynamic parameters. Lastly, we set the port for our server. It first checks if there's a port environment variable set, otherwise it defaults to 3000. With app_listen, we start the server and log a message to the console confirming that the server is up and listening on the specified port. This simple setup allows us to quickly start a web server capable of handling nested dynamic routes.